Hi fellas. We have automotive update here. Junkyard Gem, 1990 Jeep Cherokee. During the late 1970s, both Chrysler and American Motors were in trouble and sinking fast. The United States government determined that Chrysler was too big to fail and bailed out the company with guaranteed loans, while deciding that AMC was just the right size to fail. That's when the French government stepped up, with government-owned Renault plowing $150 million into AMC and providing much-needed design and engineering expertise for the crew in Kenosha. Though the resulting Renault alliance, Encore, didn't save AMC as planned, some of the Renault-inspired AMC products had long-lasting influence. One was the Eagle Premier, which provided a chassis design that lived on in many Chrysler products for decades to come. Another was the XJ Jeep Cherokee. Here's an early-ish XJ, found in a Denver area self-service yard over the summer. The XJ's predecessor, the XJ Cherokee, was a big, heavy, military-style truck based on an early 1960s design. It was extremely tough and loved by many, but rode like a truck and drank fuel like a huge truck, a problem that got more troublesome for AMC after the oil crises of 1973 and 1979. Once those Renault engineers, particularly Francois Castang, set up shop in Wisconsin, they joined forces with AMC's team to create a brand new unibody truck platform and powertrain that was like nothing seen before. This one was built during the early years of Chrysler's ownership of Jeep, and it's a base-level four-wheel drive four-door from the old Toledo South assembly plant. The engine is the 4.0-liter version of AMC's Straight Six, first used in 1965 Ramblers. This one has the 1987 to 1990. This one was built during the early years of Chrysler's ownership of Jeep, and it's a base-level four-wheel drive four-door from the old Toledo South assembly plant. The engine is the 4.0-liter version of AMC's Straight Six, first used in 1965 Ramblers. This one has the 1987 to 1990 Renault Bendix FE system and was rated at 177 horsepower and 224 pound-feet. 1990 was the last year for the AMC 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine in the Cherokee, though few were so equipped. The 1990 Cherokee could be had with a manual transmission and even rear-wheel drive. This one has the most common 4x4 automatic configuration. Not much more than 100,000 miles showing on the odometer. The interior is full. Other than the mulch and the shredded headliner, this truck's condition doesn't seem too bad. XJs in nice shape can be worth real money nowadays, but I see plenty of examples like this one in front-range boneyards. That is automotive update today. What's your opinion, fellas? Please don't forget to write down in the comment section and hit the subscribe button.